Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Read Smart. Today we are diving into a special story called The Little Steps of Maya. This story is perfect for practicing your English listening, reading, and speaking skills. As you listen, try to repeat some of the sentences to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Now let's join Maya on her little journey and see what steps she takes. Maya was a young girl who lived in a small village in India. She loved reading books and dreamed of becoming a teacher one day. But life wasn't easy for her. Her family didn't have much money and she often had to help her mother with chores instead of studying. Sometimes Maya would feel discouraged and think, maybe this dream is too big for someone like me. One day, while Maya was helping her father in the fields, she noticed a small bird trying to build a nest. The bird kept picking up tiny twigs and leaves, flying back and forth tirelessly. Maya watched closely. Each time the wind blew, the nest would fall apart and the bird had to start again. But it never gave up. Day after day, the bird returned, picking up pieces, adding a little bit more each time. Slowly, the nest started to take shape. After a few days, the nest was complete, cozy, and strong. The little bird's patience and hard work had paid off. Watching this, Maya realized something important. She thought, if a little bird can build something strong by taking some small steps every day, then I can too. From that day on, Maya started working a bit more on her studies every evening, even if it was just for 10 or 15 minutes. She saved her pocket money to buy used books, borrowed stories from the village library, and sometimes even practiced teaching her younger siblings. Years later, Maya became the first teacher in her village. The little bird's persistence had taught her a lesson she would carry forever. No dream is too big if you take it one small step at a time. So, message is Maya's journey shows that even the smallest steps can lead to great achievements. If you have a dream, remember, keep moving forward, even if it's just a little bit each day. One day, just like Maya, you will get there. And that's end of the little steps of Maya. I hope you enjoyed following Maya's story and found this practice helpful. Keep practicing by reading along or even retelling the story in your own words. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories and English practice tips. See you in the next video.